so the question is like, are prices going to come down in the market? Are interest rates going to come down? That's the hope, right? I asked you, I think, Jaslyn, last week, I asked if like how the market was doing. Is it time to buy yet? You know, and if I correct me if I'm wrong, but my understanding of what you told me was no, it is still very high and it might even go higher. And in fact, instead of lowering the interest rates for houses, they raised them. And you told me a story of, I think, of one of your family members. Where was that you? Was it you, Savannah? But one of your family members recently bought a house and it was like a $380,000 house, but yet the mortgage payments were over $2,000 because of the high interest rates. And they still had to come forward with like a ton of money, right?
To buy down the interest rate.
It was like 30 grand cash.
It was like $30,000 for down payment and their mortgage was still like $2,300 a month. So, and the interest rates just went up, last week?
Yep.
Again. And the house prices just keep getting higher and higher.
That's the thing. So they're not going down.
No.
What do you think? What's going to happen? If you have a crystal ball.
So historically, the rates of the homes have always increased. Prior to COVID, the average was about 7%. After COVID, once it all dwindled down, last year, it was still increasing about 4%. This year, we're anticipated to still increase about 3.7%. So not as drastic as during COVID, because clearly, Jaslyn, you saw the craziness with all of the market going, everything went up, everything skyrocketed. There's bidding wars during COVID. That was like a huge, so exclude that year because it's not the norm.
Yeah, I mean, we saw people getting 2% interest rate on a home.
Yeah.
Just ridiculous.
And people were overbidding by like $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 sometimes out of pocket.
It wasn't even appraising.
Yeah. It was ridiculous.